Chicken Tikka Masala is a beloved Indian-inspired dish known for its tender marinated chicken pieces cooked in a creamy tomato-based sauce. It's a flavorful and comforting dish that's perfect with steamed rice or naan bread. Here's a classic Chicken Tikka Masala recipe. Ingredients for Chicken Tikka. 1. 500 grams boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2. Half cup plain yogurt. 3. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 4. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 5. 2 teaspoons garam masala. 6. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 7. 1 teaspoon paprika. 8. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 9. 1 teaspoon chili powder, adjust to your spice preference. 10. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 11. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 12. Salt to taste. 13. Wooden skewers. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes before using to prevent burning. Ingredients for the sauce. 1. 2 tablespoons ghee or vegetable oil. 2. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 3. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 5. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 6. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 7. 1 teaspoon paprika. 8. Half teaspoon turmeric. 9. Half teaspoon chili powder, adjust to your spice preference. 10. 1 can, 400 grams, crushed tomatoes or tomato puree. 11. 1 cup heavy cream or coconut milk, for a dairy-free version. 12. 1 tablespoon garam masala. 13. Salt and pepper to taste. 14. Fresh cilantro, coriander leaves, for garnish. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine all the marinade ingredients: yogurt, lemon juice, vegetable oil, garam masala, ground cumin, paprika, turmeric, chili powder, minced garlic, grated ginger, and salt. Mix well. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade and coat them evenly. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally overnight, in the refrigerator to allow the flavors to develop. If using wooden skewers, thread the marinated chicken pieces onto them. Preheat your grill, oven, or stovetop grill pan. Cook the chicken until it's cooked through and has a nice charred appearance. If using a grill or oven, you can brush the chicken with a little oil to prevent sticking. In a separate large pan or skillet, heat the ghee or vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they become soft and translucent. Stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, and cook for another minute until the raw smell disappears. Add the ground cumin, ground coriander, paprika, turmeric, and chili powder. Cook the spices for a minute to release their flavors. Pour in the crushed tomatoes or tomato puree and cook the sauce for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Lower the heat and add the heavy cream or coconut milk, stirring to combine. Let the sauce simmer for a few more minutes until it thickens slightly. Add the grilled chicken tikka pieces to the sauce, along with the garam masala, salt, and pepper. Stir well to coat the chicken pieces with the sauce. Simmer the chicken tikka masala for a few more minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves before serving. Serve the chicken tikka masala hot with steamed rice or naan bread. Enjoy this delightful Indian-inspired dish packed with rich flavors.